How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Fast fermented teeth whitening remedy, guaranteed to remove all stains. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to turn your yellow teeth to white teeth permanently. We need those ingredients to make this recipe. One teaspoon of clove powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's the time to apply this recipe on your teeth. Then leave it on for 5 minutes. And for best results, use this recipe once a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.